Hey, I'm Lysandra, Miss Lao for some of you, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Beautopedia. And on this YouTube channel, I talk about things in regards to beauty and business and how to bring your ideas out into the universe. Are you struggling with how to bring your ideas out and how to get people to see you? Or are you curious about how to start your beauty business or any business within 90 days? Well, you've come to the right place because you can learn from my tips and tricks, my wins and my losses. A little bit about my journey. I've started on this journey around about 2012, 2013, and I am a licensed cosmetologist here in Michigan. I graduated from Douglas J. Aveda, and just recently I opened up my own lash studio, and I also have an online beauty brand as well. So as you can see, I have a little bit of knowledge about how to get people to see you, how to generate sales, and how to get your beauty brand off the ground. So I do post content often. I try to post each week, and within that content I will be telling you about how to start a lash business. I will be telling you about how to get your beauty brand off the ground, like finding vendors, how much money you need, as well as I will be providing digital downloads for you as well. Now those digital downloads, some may be free, some may be at a cost, but they will help you in regards to getting your beauty brand off the ground. So please subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell so you get notifications of when I post up a new video. And I look forward to meeting all of you, and I look forward to hearing about your wins as you live your best life.